Start of our 4th day in Hanoi. We are at a coffee shop just getting some breakfast after clubbing. We finally found the guitar. This waitress finally found the guitar. We can just chill. There's Hong Kiem Lake over there. Big square over here. Weather's really nice, not too hot, windy. Thank you.
Beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Billy, we're gonna play for us today.
Live from Hanoi, we got Billy Yuan and Brian Lee. One time all the way through. Let's go, guys. DJ Khaled, we the best.
I'm at a place, trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times it's so you never let me go to
Maybach music.
ever after this. I would still be holding you like this. But take it now, baby.
Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. So here's my number. So call me maybe. So call me on a payphone.
Oh.
Call me on a payphone. Call me on a payphone. Call me on a payphone.
Go.
So call me maybe on a payphone.
So call me maybe, but here's my number. So call me the I'm trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times?
Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. Well, here's my number. So call me maybe. And all the other boys, they try to play me. So here's my numbers. Call me on a payphone. Call me on a payphone.
So we just finished at Hanoi Seoul Cafe. We've been here for like 2 hours. Look at everything we've done here. Everything we just did cost a little over $50.
That's a lot of money.
I think it's a lot of money. We had what? We had coffee, pho, spring rolls.
Drinks.
Yeah, like 9 drinks. All this, stay here for 2 hours. Jammed out. Look at this sick view. Just chilled. $50 here.
Ah.
Can't get this in New York.
Wiggle.
Wiggle.
I'm the fucking Incredible Hulk.
In Old Quarter with Mike, just enjoying some local beer. Apparently it's brewed daily. Bia Hoi. It's brewed daily. And apparently it's a big thing in Hanoi to do. We have a 5-way intersection here with scooters freaking everywhere.
No traffic lights.
Yeah, no traffic lights.
Just plenty of horns.
This is standard everywhere in Vietnam. There's like 100 scooters for every car you see. And just chilling and probably gonna get some pho. Just picked up some desserts. This was 50 cents altogether. We have a tiramisu cake here. I have no idea what this is, and some cappuccino thing here. Mike, lady who speaks really good English, and intersection still. Grabbing some dinner on our last night in Hanoi. We have some beef, frabo, curry chicken, frog legs, and pork.
You gotta try this frog leg. It's the cleanest thing ever. Frog sauce.
Frog sauce.
Frog sauce.
Frog sauce.
By comparison,
that's
very
it.
dirty.
Walking around the streets right now, spot some shoes and some shirts, and headed back home. It's very, very cool. We are in the Vietnamese night market. You can see over there, got a sugarcane juice, crazy shiznaz everywhere.
And it's gone. Just like that.
Billy's mad paranoid because he got mugged 2 days ago by like old ladies. Last night in Hanoi, we decided to stay in because we just realized our flight was at 6 a.m. instead of 1:30 p.m. So Just making music about getting mugged.
Rah, rah, rah.
Wow, that did not go as I expected.
Uh,
Rah, rah, rah. Oh, my.